Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have one of the most popular sedans in the market, the Honda City 1.5. Known for its sleek design, reliable performance, and excellent fuel efficiency, this car has been a favorite among drivers worldwide. But does it still hold up in today's competitive sedan market? Let's dive deep into its design, features, engine performance, driving experience, and much more. Stay tuned till the end, because we're also going to compare it with some of its biggest rivals. Let's get started. At the front, you'll notice Honda's signature chrome grille, which adds a premium touch. The sleek LED headlights with integrated DRLs not only enhance visibility but also give the car a modern and aggressive stance. Moving to the side, the aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly, improving both style and efficiency. And check out these 16-inch alloy wheels, they add to the sportiness of the car. At the rear, we have C-shaped LED taillights, a sculpted bumper, and a subtle lip spoiler, which enhance the car's road presence. Overall, the Honda City 1.5 looks stylish, modern, and ready to impress. The first thing you'll notice is the premium dashboard layout, featuring a mix of soft-touch materials, piano black accents, and chrome inserts. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system in the center supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. The instrument cluster is semi-digital, with a crisp display providing real-time information on fuel efficiency, speed, and trip details. As for seating comfort, these leather-wrapped seats offer great support, and the rear seats provide ample legroom and headroom, making long journeys more comfortable. Plus, there's a rear AC vent and USB charging ports, which are great additions for passenger. Under the hood, the Honda City 1.5 packs a 1.5-liter IVTEC petrol engine that produces 119 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a CVT automatic, delivering smooth and responsive performance. The IVTEC technology ensures a balance between power and efficiency, making it great for city commutes as well as highway cruising. The acceleration is punchy, and the CVT gearbox is refined, offering a hassle-free driving experience. Honda has also fine-tuned the suspension setup to provide a comfortable yet engaging ride. Whether you're driving on city roads or highways, the Honda City maintains excellent stability and control. The Honda City 1.5 is incredibly fuel efficient, offering around 17 to 18 km/h in city driving and up to 24 km/h on highways, depending on driving conditions. The Eco Mode and engine start-stop function further help in maximizing fuel economy. If you're looking for a car that offers a great blend of performance and efficiency, the Honda City 1.5 is hard to beat. Now, let's talk about technology and safety. The Honda City 1.5 comes packed with advanced tech features that make driving more convenient and safe. Some of the standout features include Honda Sensing in higher variants, an advanced driver assistance system that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and collision mitigation braking. A multi-angle rearview camera helps with parking in tight spots.